Hello and welcome to week 2 of English 102, Spring 2020 with Professor Bird. I just wanted to make a short little video to make sure that you are best navigating our course and are off to a really successful start. So you may notice over here to the right there's a to-do list. This is a great option to kind of keep you on track for things that are upcoming and things that are due. You'll notice we had something due yesterday on January 20th. So that's one kind of option in terms of the tangible deliverables, right? But that doesn't mean that everything in course can be navigated from here. The best way to navigate is probably down here. I do these quick links where each module, it'll sort of update as we go through class. And so you'll click here on Module 1 Overview. And it'll take you in and it gives you a really nice overview of what we're doing in this module. And this particular module is comprised of 3 units, and each unit lasts about a week. And so here you've got the module, you've got some objectives, an introduction, some themes, and then you have these quick link unit overviews that you are welcome to click on, especially as we move through week by week. But if you're just starting the module, you can actually just click this next button, and it's going to take you through and talk to you about the different things we're going to be doing for this unit, the different class notes, instructional objectives, lessons, readings, and so forth, which you can see here. But from there, yes, you're welcome to use these links, especially to re-navigate to something. But in order to kind of take you through the lesson in the best possible way, you'll click here on this Start Here button. And then from there, all you have to do is keep going next. And it'll take you through the things you need to go through in the order that you need to go through them. Now again, let's say that you get through this identity, conformity, and community piece and you need to take a break. To navigate back to it, you can actually just go into the home page, click on that Unit 1.1, and you've got this identity, conformity, and community. You click on it, it takes you there, and then you can continue where you left off. The files that you need to read will also be in here through the next buttons and so forth. And you see some folks have already gotten a head start on this piece that isn't due for a couple days, so good for y'all. Shout out to Taylor and Christina and Alyssa and Bradley and Emily and Deandra and Leah and Christina. I think I may have already hit you up at the top, but just, yep, I did, but, don't want to leave anyone out. Good for y'all for getting started there. So yeah, so that is that. I'm going to go back to the home page here. If you have any questions about class or you need help or clarification, one of the best ways to go about getting that is to email me at karen.bird@gccaz.edu. You're also welcome to use the Canvas feature to send me a message as well. That's all I have for today. Hope you are off to a great start, and I'm already super stoked to be a part of our learning community online. So thanks and have a good week.